Hey there, Psychology Facts family. Are you curious about the secret signs of a sexually attracted married woman? Discover the hidden body language cues that reveal her deepest desires. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of women's sexuality and uncover the psychological aspects behind these subtle signals. Stay tuned, and you might just become an expert in decoding these mysterious signs. Imagine you're at a party, and you notice a married woman across the room. She's laughing, her eyes are sparkling, and she seems to be enjoying herself. But is she just having a good time? Or is there something more going on beneath the surface? Let's explore some common body language cues that indicate a married woman is sexually attracted to someone. 1. The hair flip. Just like in the movies, a woman playing with her hair can be a sign of attraction. When she flips or twirls her hair, it's a subconscious signal that she's interested in the person she's talking to. Think of it like a peacock displaying its feathers to attract a mate. This simple gesture can speak volumes about her feelings. 2. The lip bite. A subtle lip bite can be a powerful indicator of sexual attraction. This gesture is often done unconsciously and can reveal her hidden desires. It's like a secret code that only those who are paying attention can decipher. The lip bite can be a tantalizing hint of her unspoken feelings, drawing you in with its allure. 3. The prolonged gaze. When a woman maintains eye contact for an extended period, it can be a sign that she's attracted to the person she's looking at. This intense gaze can create a strong connection and build sexual tension. It's as if her eyes are trying to communicate her feelings without using words. The prolonged gaze is like a magnet, drawing you closer and making it difficult to look away. 4. The touch barrier breaker. If a married woman is touching her conversation partner more than usual, it can be a sign of attraction. Light touches on the arm or shoulder can indicate that she's comfortable and interested in getting closer. It's like a gentle nudge, signaling that she wants to bridge the gap between them. These seemingly innocent touches can create a powerful connection, making it hard to ignore the chemistry between them. 5. The mirroring effect. When a woman is attracted to someone, she may subconsciously mirror their body language. This can create a sense of rapport and make the other person feel more connected to her. It's like an invisible dance, where both partners move in sync with each other. The mirroring effect is a subtle way of showing that she's in tune with the person she's attracted to, creating a harmonious connection. 6. The open body language. A woman who is sexually attracted to someone might display open body language, such as uncrossing her arms and legs or leaning in towards the person she's talking to. This openness is like an invitation, signaling that she's receptive to getting to know the other person better. The open body language is like a welcoming gesture, making it clear that she's interested in deepening the connection. 7. The playful teasing. Playful teasing can be a sign of attraction, as it creates a fun and flirtatious atmosphere. When a married woman teases someone she's attracted to, it's like a game of cat and mouse, where both parties enjoy the chase. The playful teasing adds an element of excitement to the interaction, making it hard to resist the allure of the budding attraction. Remember, body language can be subtle and complex, so it's essential to consider the context and other signals before jumping to conclusions. But by understanding these cues, you can gain valuable insights into the fascinating world of women's sexuality. If you found this video helpful and intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Psychology Facts for more eye-opening content. We're here to help you uncover the hidden truths behind love, attraction, and relationships. Join our community and never miss an update.